Hi, and welcome to another amazing video from Team Supreme Gamers. We are going to make a new series of videos on this YouTube channel that'll be something different than our usual videos. In this series, we are going to give you a brief history of Android x86 and its challenges, and we'll also cover some of its popular forks like Remix OS, Phoenix OS, Bliss OS, and etc. You might find a lot of installation and gameplay videos on YouTube, but no one actually talks about the story behind the origin of these OSs. This is our small effort to give you some knowledge and understanding about Android x86 and its various forks like Phoenix OS and Bliss OS.